Hi, it's Morgan from the Cobbler. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your suede shoes. Today I'm going to use two brushes. The first one going to be the brass one. The brass brush helps to remove deep stains. The right pressure is when the bristles bend about 50%. Do not press harder. Then I'm going to use the crepe one, which is softer on the suede. The crepe brush will bring back the silky texture to the suede. The sticky crepe traps the dust and combs the suede. Step 2, we're going to clean the side sole with our foam cleaner. Apply with a clean cotton cloth. Press firmly to remove the dirt. Step 3 and our final step will be to use the Super Enveloper to nourish and protect the suede. This waterproofing spray is a must to protect your fragile suede from deep encrusted stains. Spray 20 cm away from the suede. Allow 30 minutes to dry. When your pair is too dirty or damaged, it's better to bring it to us so we can professionally clean it in our workshop.